Welcome. If you're looking to boost your privacy and keep your Android device secure, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to automatically remove unused app permissions for Pinterest on your Android phone. This quick update will help protect your data and ensure that Pinterest only has access to what it truly needs. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and head straight to your Settings app. This is the hub for all your device's controls and privacy features. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of every app installed on your phone. Now, scroll through your apps until you find Pinterest. Tap on Pinterest to open its app info page. Here, you'll see a range of options, but we're focusing on permissions today. Look for the option that says Remove Permissions if app is unused. This feature is designed to automatically take away app permissions if you haven't used Pinterest in a while. It's a great way to make sure apps aren't accessing your data in the background when you're not actively using them. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch next to Remove Permissions if app is unused. Once it's on, your device will do the work for you, revoking unnecessary permissions if Pinterest sits idle for a while. This means you don't have to remember to check in on app permissions yourself. Your phone will handle it automatically. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you've made your Android device a little more secure, and your Pinterest app a lot less intrusive. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any other apps you want to keep in check. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and privacy updates. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.